Imagine living in a world where every scent tells a story, where the air itself holds memories of the past, clues about the present, and hints of what's to come. This is how dogs experience life, through their noses. While we rely mostly on sight, a dog's world is built on smell. Their sense of smell isn't just better than ours, it's on an entirely different level. A dog's nose is up to 100,000 times more sensitive than ours. While humans have around 5 million scent receptors, dogs have between 220 and 300 million. And their brains are built to handle it. The area dedicated to processing smells is proportionally 40 times larger than ours. What we might perceive as a faint odor, a dog experiences as a detailed, layered story. But dogs have an extra advantage: Jacobsen's organ, or the vomeronasal organ. Located in the roof of their mouth, it detects pheromones and chemical signals that are completely invisible to us. This is how dogs can sense emotions, recognize fear, and even detect illnesses before symptoms appear. Some are trained to sniff out diseases like cancer or diabetes, alerting their owners before medical tests even pick up the problem. Ever notice how your dog sniffs everything on a walk? They're not just curious, they're reading the environment. While we recognize a friend by sight, a dog identifies them by scent. A single sniff tells them where that friend has been, what they ate, and even their mood. Dogs can also smell in stereo. Each nostril works independently, helping them pinpoint exactly where a scent is coming from. This ability makes them world-class trackers. Search and rescue dogs locate missing persons, even detecting human scent buried under rubble. Police dogs find hidden drugs, explosives, and even electronic devices. In the medical field, dogs are trained to detect diseases like Parkinson's or even COVID-19 just by smelling a person's breath. But how do they do it? A dog's nose is designed differently from ours. When we inhale, air flows in and out through the same passage. But when a dog sniffs, their nose separates airflow, one path for breathing, another purely for analyzing scents. Their nostrils even work separately, helping them track scents with extreme precision. And here's something mind-blowing: dogs can smell time. A fresh scent is strong, while an older one has faded and settled. This allows tracking dogs to determine not just where someone was, but how long ago they were there. Imagine walking into a kitchen and seeing a cake. You recognize it by sight, but a dog? They don't just see the cake, they smell every ingredient separately. They know there's flour, eggs, sugar, and vanilla. They can even tell who made it and whether another animal was in the kitchen earlier. This extraordinary sense of smell is one reason dogs bond so deeply with their owners. They don't just recognize you by sight or sound, they know you by your unique scent. It tells them where you've been, what you've done, and even how you're feeling. That's why your dog greets you so enthusiastically when you come home, even if you think you smell the same. So the next time your dog stops to sniff something that seems ordinary, remember, they're uncovering a world we'll never fully understand. Their noses aren't just powerful, they're a gateway to an invisible dimension of life. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more amazing animal facts, and tell us in the comments, what's the most incredible thing your dog has ever sniffed out? Let's celebrate the power of our furry friends together.